All right, welcome to another episode of Planty Face. This is part 2 of my Xerxes Bowl. So my previous Xerxes Bowl episode, this is my Gymno Bowl. Xerxes Bowl is a reference to when Xerxes invited that hunchback motherfucker to go to his tent and said, "You can have all of this." And it's like all sorts of weird mutated creatures having an orgy. So this is going to be my normal 3 weird things having an orgy. I know it's obscure. Anyway, this is my dirt, 70% mineral, some Osmocote. There's big chunks of organic stuff. I just get rid of it. This should be enough for everything I'm doing today. So first and foremost, I have a black Gymno. Okay, so in every orgy you have to have the black one, you know what I mean? And then this one, to be very careful, I don't know the name of it now, but I'll put in the bottom, it's got the multiple ribs. It's got flowers on it. So thank you, Melvin, for having these. I think to smuggle the seeds, he's shoved it up his butt. No, I'm kidding. No, he's had this for ages, and they just interbreed here in Auckland and New Zealand. And yeah, so what I did here is I did some placeholders. What makes this unique, by the way, is that every spike is like 4 of, I think 1, no, just 1. Yeah, anyway, I don't know. It's just different, lots of ribs, and it looks really cool. I'll put the link in the bottom of the actual variant, but I'm just gonna, very well rooted, as you can see, extremely well rooted. So I'm going to first plant this one here. Okay, get my soil ready. There you go. Now, there we go. So it's a little trick here. If you've got delayed, what's that word? Delayed, not livestock, but plants, that's it. If you've got delayed plants coming, then as a placeholder, you can just put a stone or a pot into there. And there we go. There we go. I don't want to disturb the roots too much, so that's it. And then this one, the same deal. Hope you can see that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Just there you go. Now I have a Gymno Black party. Gymno Black party. Here we go. And then, this is good soil too, but I'm just going to leave it for now. Don't care. And then I'm going to put some stones. There. Put little ones that I'm going to scatter on top, because they really do contrast with the gravel that I use. And I like the sharp edges of the Gymno. So, yeah. There we go. There. So it kind of looks like it's part of the, oh, look at that little spire. A little spire. Where can I put that? Here. There, look at that. Okay, let's there you go. Look at that.